So I'm using a plastic ring, as you can see, and I made it from this plastic pipe, and it has about the diameter of the outer cover, but not exactly. So you can see that I've made a cut in this ring, and when I put the gauge in this ring, you'll see that the ring fits exactly around the outer cover, but the ring is thinner than the thickness of the metal ring. So when I put it in this hole and I put the cable clamp over the gauge, then you see that it will exactly fit around the gauge. So closing the lid is doing in the opposite way, by bending the edge in a gentle way with the screwdriver from the outside to the inside. And as you can see, I'm also using the cable clamp, and when you're doing that carefully, the ring around the cover will be closed in a clean way. You will always see from the bottom side that it had been opened, but the rubber cushion will be around the bottom side, and it will avoid that you can see that the gauge had been opened when it has been mounted on your motorcycle.